Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Crochet Granny Square Trees are easy to make by folding a granny square and gluing it to a stick, then adding a pom-pom on top. To do this, I'm using an assortment of granny squares, plus these jumbo craft sticks, as well as some pom-poms. Plus, use some hot glue to get everything to hold together. To learn how to make a granny square, search for Naztazia Granny Square for a step-by-step tutorial on how to make one. My granny square consists of 5 rounds and is 5 inches across and 5 inches in height. My craft stick has a length of about 6 inches and about 3/4 of an inch in width, and my pom-pom is a little over an inch in diameter. The first thing to do is take the granny square and then turn it over so the reverse side faces upwards. Take the stick and place it in the last corner space of the granny square. This placement might differ depending upon the number of rounds and how thick or thin the yarn is. Adjust the stick so it doesn't go above the granny square. Then unfold that bottom part and place some hot glue right above it. Then fold that little part back up again to permanently hold it in place. Once that has dried, place some more hot glue above that and slightly upwards as well. The 2 corners of the granny square will be folded down towards it. It probably helps to practice this before adding the hot glue, just to ensure all looks well. I do find these gloves, plus I have cotton gloves underneath these, seem to be very helpful just in case there's any hot glue that gets through the yarn area. As always, take care when using this type of glue. After gluing the pom-pom on top, everything should be ready at this time to use as a decoration. If interested in using it as an ornament, I generally take some string or matching yarn and then use my crochet hook to go underneath a few stitches near the top of the tree and pull the yarn through so that it can be then used as an ornament. And that's it. That's how I crochet a granny square and fold it into a little tree.